From ABC News, this is Good Morning America. Now from Times Square in New York, weekend anchors Bill Weir and Kate Snow.
Coming up on Good Morning America, the male makeover. You won't believe how many men are getting plastic surgery, and you really won't believe what they're willing to pay for it.
It's the new face of plastic surgery. You won't believe how many men are going for everything from eyebrow lifts to tummy tucks, and they're spending big bucks for that little nip and tuck.
Got to get me some of them calf implants.
So according to folklore, women are the fairer sex, but increasingly it's men paying more attention to their appearance and going to great lengths to improve it, even if it means going under the knife. From facials to pedicures, men have been taking to traditionally female beauty habits in increasing numbers. And now more and more men are following women even further, all the way to the plastic surgeon's office. Whereas men only accounted for 9% of cosmetic procedures 7 years ago, in 2003 they made up 14%, and the last year alone has seen a 51% rise in minimally invasive procedures like Botox among men.
You can see all the acne scarring over here.
New Yorker Steve Tauber decided it was time to do something about his pockmarks and baggy eyes.
If I'm going to be 45, I want to look the best I can be at 45.
Steve hopes a laser facial procedure will help him both in the dating world and the professional world.
I think it is, to some degree, a way to compete. I used to work as a salesman, and I know that how important image is in any job.
Not only is there pressure from their younger competitors in the workplace, but also from the youthful faces and fit bodies staring at them from the covers of men's magazines.
Tell me what you don't like about yourself.
Driving the trend for both sexes, the flood of television shows featuring plastic surgery, which make the often expensive procedures seem almost commonplace.
My father's generation probably would never even consider it, but I think men are more image conscious.
And for more on the trend, I'm joined by plastic surgeon Dr. Darrick Antell. Thanks for being with us this morning. Why are so many men choosing plastic surgery?
I think that today people recognize that plastic surgery is an investment, just like anything else is an investment, and it gives an immediate return. It's something that's long-lasting, and you can enjoy it every day of your life.
Do you think that what we said in the piece about the pressure and about sort of all the magazines and the television shows, are you hearing that when people come to your office? They just want to look good?
People are under more pressure today, I think, Kate. I think that in their job and in the economy, they need to look as good as they feel. And I think that men today tend to wear their resume on their face sometimes. And you can be very qualified, but if you don't project that image, it doesn't come across well. So that's why people are revisiting this issue, and there's certainly a lot more familiarity with plastic surgery today.
Right, it's certainly out there now. Now, what are men getting? I mean, what are the most popular procedures for a man?
Well, in terms of less invasive procedures, Botox injections are very popular. In terms of actual surgery, it's rhinoplasty, which is the nose operation, liposuction, which is typically on either the love handles, the tummy, or the breast, or sometimes under here. And
under
also,
the chin.
Under the chin, and also eyelid surgery to remove puffiness and bags around the eyes.
Is this just, I have to ask, because Bill and I have been debating, I think you heard, is this just New York and L.A., or is this really, or Miami, is this happening all over the country?
It's really all over the world. You'd be surprised. You know, New York is certainly a mecca for this type of surgery, and people come here from all over the world. But I see patients, I've seen patients from over 55 countries in my office already, because we keep a list. This last week I operated on a man from Rome, so people come from all over.
And all ages?
All ages. All ages.
More, you were telling me earlier that there are more younger people coming in. Why is that?
Well, there's a general downward age migration where people will have a smaller operation but at an earlier age to maintain things. It's like trying to stay in shape. You do a little bit every day rather than getting totally out of whack and having to have the blue plate special.
It's not without risks. Certainly,
absolutely
right?
not.
So any tips to men who are thinking about this?
Yes, Kate. The most important part of getting a good result from plastic surgery is the surgeon that you choose.
Right.
We recommend that someone choose a surgeon certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery, which is the only organization to certify people in the face and body in terms of plastic surgery.
You sort of get what you pay for when it comes to surgery?
There's no doubt about it. This is one area in life where it pays to pay retail.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Darrick Antell. Very interesting.
Thank you.